Hello students, now let's see that how many types of cash book are there. First of all, cash book means the book in which we record all the cash transactions, that is called as cash book. The purpose of creating cash book, that is at the end of some stipulated period of time, we can come to know that how much cash, liquid cash left with us. That is the purpose of preparing cash book. Now there are three types of cash book: simple cash book, two columnar cash book and three columnar cash book. Simple columnar cash book means having only one column for the amount, that is called as simple columnar cash book. Now this is the format of the simple columnar cash book. Debit T formatted account we have to prepare, debit column, credit column, right? So on debit side, date, income, then receipt number, LF number, amount. Income means all the incomes which we receive either in the form of cash or check, that we record on debit side. Now on credit side, date, payments, voucher number, LF and amount. Now on that credit side, we record all the payments that we made in the form of check or cash, so that we record on the credit side, and amount we write down in this column. Either we pay check or we pay cash. All the amounts we record in the one column, that is called as amount column. Now this is the format of two columnar cash book. First, now two columnar cash book means we prepare two columns for to write down amount, right? Now in the cash transaction, we know that only three accounts are affected. That is first one, that is cash, second one, that is bank, and third one, that is discount. If you remember that journal entry, in the cash transaction, three main accounts that are affected: cash, bank and discount. Now in the two columnar, we prepare either cash or bank columnar cash book, either bank or discount columnar cash book, or either cash or discount columnar cash book, right? Any two we take, either you can prepare bank or discount also, either you prepare cash bank also. Any two here accounts we take for to write down the amount, that is called as two columnar cash book. Now cash book, that is a real account. Why? Because it present the real form of cash, right? That is called as cash book. Now first of all, we give title that do not write down this format, the two columnar cash book of Shri dash dash dash. Format remains same, only two columns are added for to write down amount. Debit side, date, receipt number, discount, allowed cash. Here they have showed discount and cash. Always maintain that format. The first column is for the discount, second column is for the cash, third column is for the bank. All the receipt, all the incomes, receipt is you can call as income. Whatever we receive in the form of cash or check, that we record on debit side, and the payment we record on credit side. Credit side, date, particular, voucher number, LF, discount received, and cash, right? Now here whatever two columns are given in the sum, that we prepare the discount and bank, cash or bank or discount, right? We change the amount columns title. Now cash book always starts with the opening balance. Opening balance is record always on debit side. If cash balance is given, that always comes on debit side as by balance brought down, and bank balance is given, that is also record on debit side as by balance brought down. But if bank overdraft is given, so that balance always comes on the credit side as by balance brought down. Bank overdraft always comes on the credit side. Now the three columnar cash book. Now the three columnar cash book. Three columnar cash book, in the sum it is given that prepare three columnar cash book. Then and then only we prepare three columnar cash book. Specimen remains same, but here only one more column for the amount that is added: discount, cash and bank. All the three that will come in this specimen. Other things remain same as in format: date, receipt, then receipt number LF, discount, cash, bank, date, payment, voucher number LF, discount, cash, bank. If in these two specimen, if numbers are given, the receipt number is so and so, that then and then only we write down the receipt number. LF number is so and so, then and then only we write down this on in the column of LF. Now all the check or bank, whatever we receive, that we record on debit side. Then a check or cash that we pay, that we record on credit side. 3 columnar cash book, that is also starts with the opening balance. Bank cash and bank balance comes on debit side as by balance brought down. Bank overdraft comes on credit side as by balance brought down. Now first of all we record opening balance, then after we record all the transactions, and then after at the end we find out the closing balance. टोटल हम जिस तरह से करते हैं, सॉरी, टोटल मीन्स टोटल में आप किस तरह से करेंगे, हायर टोटल पहले दोनों साइड का टोटल करेंगे, दो में से जिसका हायर है दैट वी रिकॉर्ड ऑन बोथ द साइड एंड डिफरेंस वी रिकॉर्ड ऑन द अदर साइड. सो दैट डिफरेंस इज कॉल्ड एज बाय बैलेंस closing down or balance carry forward on the next day, right? This I'll explain you when we solve sum, so do not bother about this, that how to do this procedure. So I'll explain this in detail when we solve this sum, right? But right now you understand that 3 columnar, 2 columnar or 1 columnar cash book always starts with the opening balance and always ends with the closing balance, right? So there are 3 types of cash book. These theory points are there in this unit test. So I have explained this. Read this from the textbook only. If this kind of a question will come in the exam, write from the textbook only, right? Write some matter and then after draw its specimen, 1 columnar, 2 columnar, 3 column. This is how you write down short note for the types of the cash book, right? Okay, so read this properly, learn this and write down this in your notebook, right? Okay, so see you in the next video.